Maintaining a continuously operating plant containing sophisticated machinery is an occupation that requires real technical aptitude, a desire to learn more every day, uncommon diligence and sustained effort. Yet achieving success is not always noticed by others. Good maintenance is noticed in its absence, and recovery from neglect can be costly and painfully slow, as South Africans who have experienced never-ending load shedding will know. To ensure good maintenance on your plant, you need a special breed of supervisor, who has vast experience to call on and who believes in the ongoing training and mentoring of artisans, from apprenticeship onwards. This EVR resource spent 20 years as a Red Seal qualified fitter and turner working as maintenance fitter on the same coal-fired power station plant and equipment where he was to become maintenance supervisor for another 10 years. He consistently demonstrated superior leadership and problem-solving skills, all focused on securing maximum production output at all times. He can consult on maintenance planning for continuously operating plant and on planning and managing shutdowns for major repairs and modifications. Perhaps more importantly, he can help establish the right culture in your maintenance team. To view more of what this Enshrine virtual resource has to offer, and to browse EVR's catalog, click on the link below or request a consultation.